Anthropic has revolutionized the way we interact with our browsers by introducing Claude for Chrome. This innovative tool works directly within your browser, taking actions on your behalf and streamlining your online experience like never before. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that relying too heavily on AI-powered assistance could lead to a loss of personal autonomy and decision-making skills. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Now, let's shift our focus to Amazon.com Inc., a global powerhouse in online retail. With an extensive range of products catering to the general public, Amazon has transformed the way we shop. But that's not all. They also provide a platform for individuals and businesses to buy and sell goods and services, fostering a vibrant marketplace community. Amazon's offerings can be categorized into three main families. 1. Electronic and computer products. From toys and cameras to laptops, TVs, and wireless communication devices, Amazon has it all. They even offer kitchen and garden equipment, clothing, and beauty products. 2. Cultural products. Bookworms, music enthusiasts, gamers, and movie buffs rejoice. Amazon's vast collection of books, music, video games, and DVDs caters to every taste. 3. Other services. Amazon also provides internet interface and application development services, demonstrating their versatility and commitment to innovation. Interestingly, the majority of Amazon's net sales come from services, 52.7%, while product sales account for 47.3%. Geographically, the United States leads the pack with a whopping 69.3% of net sales, followed by Germany, 6.5%, the United Kingdom, 5.9%, Japan, 4.7%, and other countries, 13.6%. But here's the part that often goes unnoticed. Amazon's immense success is driven by its dedicated workforce of over 1.5 million employees worldwide. These individuals play a crucial role in ensuring that the company remains at the forefront of the e-commerce industry. To learn more about Amazon and its operations, visit their company profile on Market Screener, https://www.marketscreener, stock, Amazon Inc. Company, 218-64605, Company.